Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here. And today we're going to be looking at answering a question using the diagram we see with our frogs and their environment. And as we go through the question, we're going to break down our answers and look to also connect it with our key concepts to help us explain how we figure out this answer. So let's go ahead and take a look at the question. If the frog's environment was to change to have only yellow flowers, which population or populations would survive? Our options are population one, only population two, only population three, population one and two, one and three, and two and three. So, looking at the question, looking at the environment changes, and looking at our populations, go ahead and decide which of the following populations would survive if the environment was to change to yellow. Make sure you pause the video, select your answer, and come back when you're ready to see which it is. All right, do you think you got the correct answer? Well, if we're looking at this, we know that anything with a yellow body is going to be more likely to camouflage and survive. So we know that population one would not work. We know that population two has yellow and population three. So these two answers, along with population one, wouldn't work either. So we know it's either a combination of one and two, one and three, or two and three. So the answer, two and three. We know that any population that has that adaptive trait is most likely to survive. And more specifically, that whether or not a trait is adaptive depends on the environment. In this environment, it's yellow, so that's the one that's more likely to be adaptive. The traits that exist in a population determine which traits can be more common over many generations. So these traits are going to be more likely to become more common because they are the adaptive trait. So that's how we use the key concept to figure out the answer. If you have questions, reach out. Otherwise, make sure you fix your answer. And good luck on the rest of the questions.